Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share a really fun and useful Unity tool called Petrification Effects. This asset allows you to turn any 3D character or object into stone, and then smoothly bring it back to normal. It's simple to use, but the results look incredibly polished. The package includes a fully customizable petrification shader. You can change the stone color, roughness, cracks, and textures to create different styles. From clean marble to old, weathered rock. It gives you a lot of control without needing any complex shader knowledge. It also comes with an easy-to-use C# script that handles the entire animation. Just call a single function, and your character will gradually turn to stone or return to normal. It works with characters, props, creatures, basically any 3D model in your scene. Another great thing is compatibility. This asset works perfectly with URP, HDRP, and the built-in render pipeline, so you can drop it into almost any project without extra setup. Petrification Effects is great for magic spells, boss abilities, traps, environment transitions, or story moments where you want a character to freeze dramatically. The demo scene and example materials also make it easy to test and learn quickly. If you're working on a fantasy or adventure game, or if you just want a cool and unique visual effect, this tool is definitely worth checking out. The purchase link is in the video description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy Unity tools and effects like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.